falling down like cold goodbye, sliding through the neon of the night. Window glass is trembling with the sound of a lonely city breathing low and slow. There is whiskey in the air somehow, though the table only holds my hands now. Every shadow leans a little near, like it came to sit and disappear. Rain after midnight, lay your blues on me. Wrap this room in velvet, like a slow memory. Rain after midnight, stay where I can feel all the tender sorrow. Only silence knows is real. There is a record spinning in my chest, skipping where your name once used to rest. I let it turn, I let it drag its ache, like a small mistake I never could unmake. Streetlight gold is fading into gray, and the hours fold themselves away. Some loves leave a mark that does not fade, just a softer place inside the pain. Oh, rain after midnight, lay your blues on me. Wrap this room in velvet, like a slow old memory. Rain after midnight, stay where I can feel all the tender sorrow. Only silence knows is real. I do not need the truth tonight, I do not need the dawn. Just one more low and lonesome line to lean my whole heart on. Let the piano speak in smoke, let the old guitar reply. Let the rhythm move like tired wheels, rolling under midnight sky. Maybe love was never built to last. Maybe that is why it cuts so deep and soft. A flame of breath, a song inside the dark, a little wound that glows after it is gone. So pour the night into this empty chair, let the blue hang heavy in the air. I will sit with every note it brings, till the ache becomes a and the world begins its noise again, I will still hear something soft and true in the fading trace of love in you. Rain after midnight falls so low and deep over broken promises we never got to keep. Rain after midnight sings so dark and sweet, till the lonely heart inside me finds a softer beat.